So I'm Julie Cuffle. I work at Indiana State University. I'm an application systems manager there, and I've been in this role for 7 years. Hyland Solutions have helped Indiana State quite a bit. It's just been nice to have that repository of documentation and to be able to search and find that documentation quickly as people need it. We have registrar's office, financial aid, different departments, and it's just been really advantageous not to have to go search through file folders and try to locate documents as students call and need information and know where they are. Another really opportunity that we have is utilizing some of the automation that comes with perceptive content. One thing in particular is we take advantage of something called the Image Now printer, which is a piece of perceptive content. So we can generate files of letters, and that file has individual letters per student, and we can just run it through the Image Now printer, and it will automatically load it into Perceptive and index it per student so that nobody has to manually add each one of those letters to the solution. So it saves a lot of manual work. Yeah, I think Indiana State's students benefit a lot just from the fact that we have managed to pull so much of our content into one central repository, and then across campus, departments can find information for that student quickly. They can just get into Perceptive, pull up the student record, and it doesn't matter if they're in financial aid, if they're in the registrar's office, if they're in accounts receivable paying their bill, we can pull them up, see where they stand and what documentation we have, and that's just been really beneficial to serve our students. I was really impressed with the presentation yesterday and where Hyland is going as far as innovation. It was news to me to see the development that's going on and the direction that they're going. I feel like we have moved our perceptive content application into the cloud. We're hoping to move our banner application into the cloud, and just to see that they're going to work with us wherever we are to join these pieces together, I feel like is going to be very beneficial to us as an institution, and just it's going to streamline for us, right? A lot of things that we would have to figure out how to do ourselves. So I feel like it's going to be a large benefit to the university. Based on what I saw, content intelligence, I think, would be very advantageous for us to be able to look across campus in different offices, pull up documents, have the intelligence piece, kind of pulling that information together for our staff and for our students, and being able to present that in a way that simplifies what they need to see, right? Without them having to do the digging and looking and trying to find the pieces that they need. If we can kind of incorporate some AI there and pull those together for them, it's really going to help from a staffing perspective and a service to the student perspective. I'm hoping that we can start leveraging AI to really do the digging for us that we just don't have the staffing to do. Right? We run pretty lean. We have to focus on serving our customers, our students. So I'm hopeful that we can start implementing some AI solutions that will just do some of that heavy lifting for us and provide the information that we need at the point to make the decision that's going to help the student move forward and be successful. Because ultimately, we want our students to be successful. It's been really exciting to work on Hyland Automate and be in a partnership with Hyland on this. I think that we are definitely going to build out. We've started kind of simple, replacing some financial aid forms. We've enhanced those forms. Those are coming into our system. Our financial aid counselors have ready access to what's been created. And then we want to just continue using Automate to enhance the reduction of manual labor, right? So now we're at a point where this information is coming in. Let's feed that over to our student information system so that if our counselors happen to be in the student information system instead of content, they're going to know what's already been submitted, right? And so just continuing that partnership and building out Automate to leverage it to take care of some of the manual processes that occur today. I would like to really help my departmental users reduce that amount of manual work that they have to do and take advantage of the machine. Sure, moving perceptive content to the Hyland Cloud has been very beneficial to us. mainly in that we don't have to keep the infrastructure, right? We don't have to be concerned with the servers. We don't have to be concerned with upgrading the product. I don't have to have staff that is focused on that. My staff can focus on more developing solutions that help our user departments now because we have less maintenance there. And Hyland has been very supportive of the solution for us while we've been in the cloud. So that has definitely added value. Mostly in the fact that it's like freed my team up to be able to more develop out solutions for perceptive content to help the departmental users from a functionality perspective, because we don't have to spend as much time technically supporting the product. I love coming to Community Live. This is my second time here. And I just get energized for my products, right, from Hyland. And I really do. I pick up the energy from the conference. I also really enjoy networking, meeting some other people who are in the industry, higher ed, and, just learning from them how they use their solutions, getting to kind of talk and even at some point mentor other people who haven't done as much as we have with perceptive content. You just get energized, you learn the roadmap for the products, you really get a feel for Hyland and where they're going with all of their products. And the other thing that I love about coming to Community Live is Hyland really appreciates their customers. I feel that. Everybody that I talk to at Community Live is all about their customers and wanting to engage and learn from the customers. And so I would recommend Hyland to other people because I know that they're going to get that same experience. It's going to be a successful experience for them. I would describe Community Live as a great place to come network and learn.